Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will learn ayat number 136 of Surah Al Anaam and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وجعلوا لله مما ذرأ من الحرث والأنعام نصيبا فقالوا هذا لله بزعمهم وهذا لشركائنا ومخرج of circling your lips with top on your jaws. The sound is short. Ja. There should not be any escape of breath or sound. In Jim, this is Majura letter. So Ja, Ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws. Lu for the mouth, circle your lips, and without going into your nose, you are making a long vowel. Lu, lila, kasra. Lafz jalala will be light because there is kasra before it. Lila, and by it's always Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name is always long. Lillahi, he for kasra give e sound. Mim for kasra give e sound and attach with mim. Mim will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mim, ma, 2 counts long. The makhraj of dal is when you are touching upper side of tip of your tongue to the edge of your frontal tooth. This is the makhraj of dal. The for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Ra is heavy. Whenever ra is with fatha, the mat is heavy. Here it is heavy. Ra, and the sound is short. Hamza is sharp for fatha upon jaws. The ra mi for kasra give e sound. Nal for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam is with the wasut. Nal ha from your throat with hums for fatha open jaws attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Har thi for kasra give e sound. Well, makhraj of waw. Circling your lips, fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. And Hamza is sharp for fatha open jaws attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of tawassut. And hukmuhu idhar. Ain from your throat, make it 2 counts long. Mi for kasra give e sound. Na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Sli, swad is heavy for kasra give e sound attached with it is long vowel. Sli. This is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light. So your tongue should be straight. Your tongue should and your mouth should be ready to say letter fa. And you're keeping the sound in your nose. Ba, fa, fa. Give hams and fa for fatha upon jaws. Qaf is heavy, and because of qaf, this alif is heavy too. And make it 2 counts long without going into your nose. There is no use of nose over here. Lu for the circle. Make it 2 counts long. Ha, 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Zabzaba, the lil. Left jilala is light. Lillahi. Di for kasra give e sound. Za has safir for fatha upon jaws attached with ain. Ain will get safa of tawassut, and ain should be from your throat nicely. Mi for kasra give e sound. Him for kasra give e sound attached with mim. You will get safa of tawassut. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ha 2 counts long. The 2 counts long. Li for kasra give e sound. Shu for the circle in lips, the sound is short. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Ka mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. Hamza is sharp for kasra give e sound. Na 2 counts long without going into your gunna for the long vowel. Yes, noon is from your nasal passage. Yes. Fa give hams in fa for fatha open jaws. Ma 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. Na, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Li, for kasra give E sound. Shu, for dhamma circle lips, the sound is short. Ra, ra is heavy for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Ka, mad muttasil wajib, make it 4 counts long. E, for kasra give E sound. Him, for kasra give E sound, attach it. Mim, you will get sipa of the wasut. And حكمه إظهار. ف give همس فا for fatha open jaws. لا 2 counts long. إيا is light for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. صي صاد is heavy for kasra give E sound. لو for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. E for kasra give E sound. The sound is sharp. La. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid sukoon. Because of the sukoon, you are giving rakhawa on ha too. And lafz jalawala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. But this lam will be light. Only lafz jalala's lam will be heavy. Ilallah. And try not to circle your lips for any heavy letter. You're making lafz jalala heavy. You're not circling your lips at all. ومخرج الواو circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ma 2 counts long. Ka 2 counts long. Na for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Lillahi fa give hamsin fa for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Hu for dhamma circling lips. The sound is short. Wa makhraj of always circling the lips for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Ya is light for fatha open jaws. Sli, sad is heavy for kasra give E sound. Lu for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. E for kasra give E sound. Hamza is shidda. So give a shidda sound here. The makhraj will cut off the sound. E. La 2 counts long and lam is light. Shu for dhamma circle lips. The sound is short. Ra كائهم ساء مد متصل واجب make it 4 counts long. So the sound is should be very nicely heard. It should not be merged into this mud letter. Ma 2 counts long. Yeah, for fatha open jaws attached with ha will get sifa of raqa and hums, and it is from your throat. Ku for dhamma circle lips. Moon. Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad arid sukoon. وَجَعَلُوا لِلَّهِ مِمَّا ذَرَأَ مِنَ الْحَرْثِ وَالْأَنْعَامِ نَصِيبًا فقالوا هذا لله بزعمهم وهذا لشركائنا فما كان لشركائهم فلا يصل إلى الله وما كان لله فهو يصل إلى شركائهم ساء ما يحكمون. ومخرج الفاء circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Kaf is light for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. The give zabzaba and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra give E sound. Ka for fatha open your jaws. The sound of kaf is light and short. Zayyana give safir in za for fatha open jaws attached with ya, and ya will get number. And at the same time, it will get rakhawa. So the sound should flow and it should have a push in its sound. Zayya. For fatha open jaws, the sound is shorter. Fatha na for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Li for kasra give E sound. Kaf is light for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. 3 2 counts long. Rim For kasra, give E sound attached with meme. This is idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Me. For kasra, give E sound. The sound is short. Nal. For fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawasut. Mush. For dhamma, circle lips attached with sheen. Sheen will get sifa of rukhawa. Anta for she, and it is light. And uh, your lips should be a straight in straight position when you touch sheen. Mush, mush. So there is nothing to do with your lips when you are saying sheen. So be careful that your lips should be very relaxed and straight. Mush, iri. Ra is light. Focus to give e sound. The sound is short. Ki. 2 counts long. Na. For fatha open jaws. Qat. Qat. For qaf is heavy. For fatha open jaws. Attached with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. And ta is light. Qat. Qat. La. For lam is short and light. Ow. Hamza is sharp. For fatha open jaws attached with wow. This is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching hamza fatha with wow. Ow. La. 2 counts long. Di. For kasra give e sound. Him. For kasra give e sound attached with meme. We will get sifa of tawasut. And حكمه إظهار. شركاؤهم. Very sharp sound and short. Wow is only a chair for Hamza, so we are not pronouncing wow. So you are not making making any sound long. This is Hamza with Dhamma, so the sound is short and sharp. Hum for Dhamma circle lips attached with me. We will get sip of the wasut. Li for kasra give e sound. Yur. Yeah, it's light for Dhamma circle lips attached with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is Dhamma before it. And Ra will get the wasut. Yur. Do for the circle ellipse and make it 2 counts long. Hum for the circle ellipse attached with meme. We will get sifa of the wasut. Wa makhraj wow circling your lips for fatha open jaws. Li for kasra give e sound. El for fatha open jaws attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. And lam is light. B for kasra give e sound. Su for the circle lips make it 2 counts long. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws. Lay lean, so you are making soft when fatha is being attached with yeah. Lay him for kasra give e sound attached with meme. You will get sifa of the wasut. D 2 counts long. Na for fatha open jaws. Hum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with meme. You will get sifa of the wasut. And حكمه إظهار. هو مخرج واو circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. لو this is lean, so make it soft. لو شاء متصل واجب, make it 4 counts long without going into your nose. شاء Allah. Hamza is sharp and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Allah, la, 2 counts long. Who for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Fa, give hams in fa for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ain from your throat for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Lu. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat li sukoon. When you are making it long, should not go into your nose. Fa, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. Dharu. Dal is light, but ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Dharu. Hum for the circle lips attached with meme. Meme will get sifa of the wasat and hukmuhu idhar. Wa makhraj of waw is circling your lips for fatha open your jaws. The sound is short. Ma, 2 counts long. Yaf for fatha open jaws attached with fa. Fa will get sifa. Rakhawa and hams. Ta is sharp, but the open jaws, the sound is short. Roon. Because of this verb, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is mad adat li sukoon. Make ra heavy and give the tawassut on noon because it is with sukoon now. وكذلك وكذلك زين لكثير من المشركين قتل أولادهم وكذلك زين لكثير من المشركين قتل أولادهم شركاؤهم ليردوهم وليلبسوا عليهم دينهم ولو شاء الله ما فعلوه فذرهم وما يفترون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.